Hello everyone, this is Anurag Saha, your fitness consultant, and welcome to T3 Fitness. So today I am going to talk about a topic which was there for quite some time in my heart, and it is a very important topic, and it applies to everyone and anyone out there. I will be speaking in context of those people who stays in India, and I hope that you guys take something back from this video. So let's start. So basically we Indians are like one of the most powerful country, and we have been proven this to everyone and anyone out there. And when it comes to unity, we have again proven to many other countries that we are a very powerful country. There are some history books where it is written that the Indian army is one of the strongest army in the entire world. Okay, so having said that, coming back to 21st century and talking about the industries and all, I will not target those people who falls in the very rich category. I will rather target those people who are from the middle-age family, middle-class family, and a few people are there from those families who wish to grow, who are not satisfied with the fact that the lifestyle they are leading right now, or the compromises they are going through right now, and many other things. So to speak, for example, if in a family, a person wants to become an entrepreneur, or he wants to be in that level in the world. He wants to achieve something. He wants to prove something that he is capable of doing such things. But unfortunately, first of all, the first barrier which comes from is his family itself. His family doesn't believe that my son or my daughter can achieve all those things. What if the society tells? What answer would they give to the society? So apparently society plays a very big role. But ladies and gentlemen, let me say something about the society. Society builds up from the human, from the people who stays in the society. There was no society without the people, so the people comes first. So you need to understand, you need to break the barriers. Sometimes you need to think out of the box sometimes. Otherwise, suppose if I give you an example of the previous generation of farming. Now if some person was not thinking something out of the box, he wouldn't have discovered so many machines which are helpful right now. Supposedly a tractor. First of all, those person used to use their hands, used to use those tools which are used by the hands itself. So if the tractor wouldn't have been discovered, then you can imagine what the condition would have been. So anyone thinking out of the box, first let not judge the person that why he is doing like that. Let us put some logic behind, and let us think a little bit that is it right, or see, for thinking that is it right or wrong, you need to be intelligent first. I am not telling that everyone out there is very intelligent to understand. Now I will give you another example of me as a fitness trainer. So I come from a background where my entire area finish offs in 2 hours if you move in a cycle. It's so small, and unfortunately speaking, the thinking also is very small in my city. But fortunate I am that I have a family. I have a mother who is very positive about the fact that I have chosen something different, and she supported me. She thought that okay, if I am good at something, I should be doing that itself, rather doing something else which I am not liking. In my college, I used to study geography, and I scored well there. I was a gold medalist. I could have done something better in that field itself, but it was not my passion. I was not passionate for doing something else in that field itself. My passion was always fitness. So the first support I got was from my mom. She went out of the box, gave it a thought, and she pushed me to do this course. And there are few more people who also gave me enough encouragement to do these courses and do whatever I like. So this is a fact which you guys needs to understand, that a little push is needed. Otherwise, whatever we are thinking that we need to do can fail big time, because without a little bit support, everyone fails. Now, talking about the fact about the society, entire society was against the fact that I was doing a course in the personal training. First of all, they do not have any idea about the personal training thing, or they do not have any idea what a trainer is. Only thing they used to understand is that if I became a trainer, then I just have to unload and redact weights. I just have to be and there in the gym to pick up weights. But that is not the fact. It's a very big study. Fitness sciences is a great study, I would say. If you compare it to a doctor degree or a degree of an engineering, it is quite tough to understand fitness science, because it is after all a science. You need to understand the human body. You need to understand the physiological things which goes inside the body. You need to understand the psychological level of a human being also, being a fitness trainer. Otherwise you cannot motivate them. So it's a long list of study, and the study never ends. But you know about people, how they think. But it's fine. I am in a very good place right now. And why I am making this video? I am making this video for a fact which I have understood, and I don't know how to change it, but I need to share it. See, the changing comes from me itself, so I will change myself if it is the betterment for the entire nation. But even people needs to change. So what I was telling, or what I was meaning, is that supposedly I need to grow. So I have developed a business which names T3, Train to Transform. Okay, so I have lot many people who knows me. Those may be my relatives, those may be my friends, they can be my colleagues, they can be my students, they can be my clients. So I have a list of people who falls around 500, so to speak. So what happens when I started my business? What else I want? I didn't ask for money from anyone. I didn't ask any other thing which is too valuable for them. I just asked a little bit support. A support as in just tell good thing about the gym, give a review of the gym, like my social media, like my videos, share my videos so that it reaches out to people. But no, in those 500 people, just a 10% showed up, who are actually very near to my heart. Only they showed up and they supported me. 500 out of 500, only 50 people supported me, and rest 450 people are God knows where are they. So it's a human mentality that if you grow, few people tends to think that okay, he is growing, why should I help him? Let him grow, I will grow myself. See, when we are when we used to be teenagers, or when we used to be in school, then our parents used to teach us ki we should eat together, because eating together makes the entire environment and entire ambience very beautiful. Everyone shares, chit chat and laugh, share their story, something like that. When you eat alone, you are just gulping down food, but you are not getting any enjoyment. So it is always better to share and eat, which I always believed. And whenever I bring some student or call some student, I always eat with them, have some tea, have some breakfast, have lunch, and then chit chat happens, and that chit chat happens for a very long time. I really enjoyed it. But I don't know what people think, but these 450 people who haven't supported me, I am not asking for their support anymore. But what mentality is this? We Indians are not supporting Indians. You are just bloody liking on the page whom you don't even know. Few YouTubers are there who are selling crap, who are teaching crap. They have no knowledge about fitness sciences, but still you are going to follow them. You are going to follow international athletes. You are going to follow some Olympians, but you are not going to support anyone who is doing something good in India. Okay, fair enough. So I would rather tell you something just on your face that, buddy, I am going to grow no matter what. It is just a phase that I am knowing people that who are close to me and who are not. And if you think that this is my story, no, you're wrong. This is a story of every man out there, every female out there who wants to do something, who wants to achieve something good, who wants to grow in life, who wants to achieve what other people who are narrow-minded thinks that this is unachievable. So no worries, you don't support, we will still grow, and when we reach that height, I'm sure you're going to follow them. So this is a message which was deep down in my heart, and this is a story of many, and I just want you to know about this. No likes needed, no comments needed. Just understand the fact that this is a story which stays in the heart of many. So if you cannot support them, God knows who will support you. Thank you. This is Anurag Saha signing off. We will come back with another video, and that will be on fitness topic itself. To talk